Hello friends, today in this video we are watching the modern dining table design ideas and later we will discuss what is the price for dining tables. So friends, if you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and thank you for watching this video. So friends, whatever you are furnishing a cozy apartment or spacious home or villas, dining table is more than just furniture, it's the heart of your house and where memories are made over the meals and conversation, from sleek and modern designs to timeless wooden to classic. Indian furniture market offered to the something for every taste and budget. So friends, let's check out the 5 popular dining table designs and their prices. The first one is the modern minimalistic glass top dining table. This dining table is perfect for small spaces. These tables are create an airy and open feel. This transparent glass top to the pairs are beautiful with chrome and stainless steel and legs, added into the touch of elegance in urban homes. Brands like IKEA and Urban Ladders offer to the four-seater glass table sets clean and stackable chairs. The features like tempered glass top and metal or wooden frames, space-saving design. It's sitting 4 to 6 peoples. The price range is the starting at 15,000 rupees to 35,000 rupees is the high-end price. You can buy IKEA or Amazon Flipkart. One tip I give for buyers: use table pads to perfect the glass from scratches. At around price 19,000 rupees in 4 seaters, these are perfect for modern apartments. So friends, another one is a solid sesame wood dining table. It's timeless solid wood and dining table. It's known for durability and rich grains. Sesame wood is favorite in Indian homes. This table comes in traditional rectangulars and round shapes. It's often with natural walnut finish. Solid wood construction, traditional contemporary designs study a long life. It's sitting 4 or 6 or 8 people sitters. The price is then 10,000 rupees for 4 seaters, 59,000 rupees for 6 seaters with chairs and bench. You can buy Amazon or Flipkart or Wooden Street. Tips for buyers: look for lifetime warranties on solid wood set for added to the value of your house. So friends, 4 seater sesame wood set for 10,799 rupees for Mamta decoration and Amazon you get. And marble top luxury dining table, it's third one. You won't elevate your dining space a marble top dining table. It's extremely luxury. This table's features of glossy and marble, fox marble top with sturdy wooden or metal frames. It's perfect for grand gatherings. Brand like Home Centers or Orange Tree offer to the six-seater sets that blend modern and glamorous with durability. Features like marbles or artificial marble top resistant to the heat and suffocation design. Sittings like 6 to 10 peoples. The price is the 43,000 rupees to 1,25,000 rupees, 6 seaters. You can buy regular ceiling or need to the prevent of styling or natural marbles. The home center 6 seaters Harmony Fox marble top is available just 4,999 rupees after to 15,000 rupees. And foldable space saving dining table, and there one is a for small apartments or cozy kitchens. Foldable dining tables are game changer. These space saving designs can be folded for extended as needed, making them ideal for urban homes. Its IKEA and Nimasha decor offered to the wall mounted or foldable sets in wood or glass. These are lightweight and multifunctional with storage options. Sitting 2 or 4 peoples. Price range is the 13,000 rupees is the starting, high end price is the 20,000 rupees. You can buy Nimasha decor or IKEA. The tips for buyers I give: Checks for sturdy hinges and easy to clean surface. Wooden shoots foldable three-piece set with a rattan can chair start at 19,000 rupees, perfect for compact homes. And fifth one is a Liu Edges epoxy resin dining table. It's for statement piece. Check out the Liu Edge epoxy resin dining table. These are artistic tables, combine natural wood edges with vibrant resin. It's creating one of kind masterpiece. Wooden shore of surfer furniture specialized in these trendy designs, ideal for modern and bohemian style homes. Natural wood with the resinations, unique grind patterns, and customizable design, sitting 4 to 8 peoples. The price range is the 13,000 rupees to high end price is the 45,000 rupees. So friends, ensure the resin high quality to avoid yellowing the over time. You can measure your space of at least 3 feet to or clearance around the table for comfort. Pick 4 sitters for small families, 6 to 8 for larger gatherings. Wood for durability materials, modern vibes, marble for luxury. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more home decor ideas. So friends, thank you for